Morning comes. The sun is warm. Birds fly above the house.
Good morning. I have a small tree.
I am bored. Me too. My cars are boring. There is nothing to do.
I have an idea, kids. This baby tree needs help.
I am ready to help. Let's go to the park.
The park is green and big.
This place has good sun.
The soil feels hard. I will dig slowly.
That is funny. Dad, you have dirt on your nose.
Oh no.
The hole is ready. Something moves in the soil.
What is that? I feel surprised.
Don't worry. It is a worm. The worm helps the soil.
Let's put the tree in.
The roots are very small.
Cover it with soil.
I will give it water.
Water goes into the ground.
It is smaller than me. It will grow one day.
Let's stand together.
The leaves are soft.
Good job, kids.
I am proud of you.
We did great today.
High five! High five!
The new tree stands in the park. The sun shines on the leaves.
Let's go home.
Only piano. That's very calm.
Mom walks fast on the street.
Gentle humming returns.
It is 6 o'clock.
Oh no, I am late.
Ants walk on the ground. They work so hard.
Mom, you are here.
I am sorry, Leo.
The living room is messy.
I feel very tired.
Dishes are everywhere.
I have no energy.
We are home. You look tired.
I need a break.
Melody slightly to
Team, let's help Mom.
vocal humming.
I will clean the toys. I will wipe the table.
I will wash vegetables.
Hands work together.
Vocal
The table is clean.
texture soft and airy.
The kitchen looks nice. Thank you, my family.
Dinner is ready.
Only piano pads. Very
I
calm.
set the plates.
Gentle humming returns.
Fruit for you, Mom.
This feels good. I feel relaxed now.
Look at my drawing.
Piano
It is beautiful.
fades out.
Here is an apple.
We are happy together.
The plates are empty.
I feel better.
The house feels warm. Dark clouds fill the sky. Rain starts to fall.
Hold your umbrella.
The box move.
Wait, what is that?
I will open it.
A small puppy is inside.
He is scared. I will keep him warm.
Let's go to the shelter.
The shelter is closed.
What can we do?
Let's take him home.
He looks at me.
He needs a bath. Be gentle.
He is clean now. I will brush him.
He likes you.
Go fetch.
Good dog.
The puppy sleeps.
He feels safe.
Morning comes again.
I have good news.
Tell us.
We can keep him.
Welcome home.
Your name is Stormy.
The family smiles together. Home is full of love.